Most business owners are still doing things manually that AI could handle for them right now. Not because they do not believe in AI, but because nobody has shown them exactly how to apply it to their business. Today, we are going to fix that. Here is something I want you to really think about. At Boulder SEO Marketing, we are on a mission to automate 80% of our repetitive work using AI. And we are not talking about replacing people with robots. We are talking about freeing our team to do the work that actually matters: the strategic thinking, the creative work, the client relationships. And here is the thing: everything we are building at BSM, you can apply in your business too. Today, I am going to show you exactly how. I am Harold de Guzman, AI Director at Raulf, AI SEO, and Boulder SEO Marketing. Welcome to the AI SEO Tip, where every week we bring you practical tips on AI SEO and tools you can start using right away. This week, instead of talking about a specific tool, we are talking about how to think about AI for your business. Because the businesses that win in the next 12 months are not the ones with the best tools. They are the ones who know how to use them. Let's get into it. Every business has them. Tasks that happen over and over again. Same process, same format, same output. Every single week without fail. These are exactly the tasks AI can handle for you right now. The question is simply which ones to start with first. Here's the first thing I want you to do after watching this video. Open a blank document and write down every task your team does repeatedly. Things like writing the same type of report every week, responding to similar client emails, summarizing meeting notes, researching competitors, creating social media posts, pulling data and formatting it. If a task happens more than once a week, follows the same format every time, and takes more than 30 minutes, that task is a candidate for AI automation. We call this a repetitive task audit. At BSM, we did exactly this, and we found tasks that were eating hours every single week that AI now handles in minutes. Let me show you what this looks like in the real world. At Boulder SEO Marketing, we now have 4 people in our AI department. And here's what we are actually automating. Meeting notes and summaries. Every client call happens on Google Meet. The transcript comes out automatically. We feed that transcript into Claude, and Claude turns it into structured action items, decisions, and follow-ups. Nobody manually types meeting notes anymore. Keyword research. What used to take a team member hours, we now run through SE ranking connected directly to Claude via our MCP integration. Keyword data pulled, analyzed, and formatted in minutes. Content creation. One video or blog post gets repurposed into email newsletters, LinkedIn posts, social captions, and YouTube descriptions. Claude handles all of it, all from one original piece of content. Video production. The video you're watching right now, script written by Claude, delivered by an AI avatar built in HeyGen, voice cloned by 11 Labs. Fully automated, no camera, no studio, no recording session. That is what is possible right now. This is what happens when you find the right tasks and hand them to AI. Your team gets hours back every single week. They stop doing the repetitive work, and they start doing the work that actually moves your business forward every day. Imagine your business running smoothly with AI handling all the repetitive work, while your team focuses entirely on strategy, clients, and growth. That is not the future. That is available to your business right now. Here is exactly how to start making that happen this week. All right, here is exactly how to start applying AI in your business this week. Number 1, start with one task. Do not try to automate everything at once. Pick the single most repetitive task your team does every week and focus on that one first. Number 2, document the process. Before you hand anything to AI, write down exactly how the task gets done. What are the inputs? What does the output look like? What are the rules and standards? AI needs clear instructions just like a new team member would. The clearer your instructions, the better your output. Number 3, pick the right tool. For writing and content, we use Claude. For meetings and transcripts, we use Google Meet. For keyword research, we use SE ranking. For video content, we use HeyGen and 11 Labs. You do not need all of these at once. Start with one, master it, then add the next. One important thing I want you to understand: AI does not replace your team. It works alongside your team. Your people bring the judgment, the relationships, and the strategy. AI handles the repetitive execution. Together, they will accomplish more than either could alone. I talk to a lot of business owners and I hear the same thing every time. I am scared that AI is going to replace my team. I understand that feeling completely. But here is what I have seen working inside BSM's AI department. Every time we hand a repetitive task to AI, our team members do not lose their jobs. They get to do better work. Because now they have time for the thinking that actually requires a human brain. The strategy, the creativity, the client relationships. AI handles the execution. Your team handles everything else. That is the mission we are on at BSM, and it is available to any business right now. If you found this helpful, subscribe for a new AI SEO tip every single week. We share practical tips on AI, SEO, and tools you can start using right away so your business never falls behind what AI makes possible. And if you are ready to go further, if you want a team that has already built these AI systems, tested them, and knows how to apply them to your specific business, that is exactly what we do at Boulder SEO Marketing. Head over to boulderseomarketing.com, see how we work, and reach out if it feels like a fit. We would love to talk. I am Harold de Guzman, and I will see you in the next AI SEO tip. You now know exactly what to do. Find your most repetitive task, document the process, pick one AI tool, and start this week. The businesses applying AI right now are building a real advantage that will be very hard to catch up to. Your move.